Here's the Nissan Qashqai. The bulbs are over there. The way to access it, we have to open up the hatch. And now there's no way to access the bulb from inside. We have to get the light out. This light is held in place by two bolts, 10mm. You'll need a socket ratchet combination for that, 10mm. And you'll also need a duct tape to get the light out of the body. Let's go ahead and twist his left and get this one bolt off. And let's get the second bolt off. Now grab the light and try rocking it a little bit here and there, just to sort of loosen it up. That is good. Now let's go ahead and get the duct tape, peel one big section off and put it on the light the way I'm showing, and leave a little bit at the very end just undone so you can grab onto it. Use it like a handle to yank the light off. Get one more layer on it. That's good. And now we need to pull it out straight towards the back of the car and yank it off, and off it comes. Now that cutout goes on the clip there, one pin goes there, the second pin, it goes in that hole right over there. Yep, that's the bulb holder. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and it's loose. Now it should just come right out, and that's the bulb right there. To get the bulb out, just grab it and pull it out straight. The bulb size is right there on it, 7443. There are two filaments inside it for two different functions. 7443. Check the link in description or the info card to buy a bulb for yourself from Amazon. Get the new bulb and line it up over there and then push it down to secure it. That's good. Now when you put the bulb holder back in, you see those two notches, it lines it up over there with the two slots in the light. That way it just drops right in, or else you'll be spending a few seconds twisting and turning it to getting it to drop in. Now twist it right, locked. See that cutout? Need to focus on that when you're putting it on the body. Just line up the light the way I'm showing. Just focus on that cutout in the front. It needs to go on that clip. When it goes on properly, the light shouldn't be sticking out. It should be flush with the body. That is looking good. If it's sticking out, just pull it back a little bit and then line it up properly. Just give it a push. Put those two bolts back in. Just hand tighten them down for now. And then we will tighten it down with the socket ratchet combination. Once you're done with that, you can just peel this duct tape off the way I'm showing, and it should come right out without leaving any residue, and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.